If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in EAFC 25, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing the game quickly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close EAFC 25 completely and restart it. This can often resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Clear cache. For console users, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting the cache folder. Step 4. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your console or through the EA app on PC. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling EAFC 25. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen problem and enjoy your game without interruptions.